Years ago, like 20 years ago, I fell into an accounting profession. I had no formal schooling, but I just worked in different accounting jobs over the years. And it's something I was good at, fell into, but it wasn't something I was passionate about. I was diagnosed as diabetic about 3 or 4 years ago. I'm no longer a diabetic because I lost weight and exercised. But at that time, I got into flipping recipes to make them more healthy for my lifestyle that I had in my new diet restrictions. So I started getting more passionate about it, and I was already taking prereqs because I knew I wanted to get a degree that I never got in college. And then I started looking at the culinary program. The wide range of things that the South Puget Sound culinary program teaches you, everything from costing to inventory to as well as food development, and that's, it totally interests me. I am a city council member in the city of Aberdeen. I have been for 5 years. I recently got reelected. For the past 2 years, my peers have elected me the city council president. So I'm very embedded in the Aberdeen community, even though I've only been there 20 years. I would like to be able to work either opening a food truck or work in an already established restaurant in my community, because I want to be able to provide better service and better food options for the people in Aberdeen. Not only will I have the culinary skills that I need in order to be a chef, but if I wanted to run my own business like a food truck or a small cafe, then I would have that total complete knowledge to use. The program covers all of that.